So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate objects in Freeform. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Freeform app. On here you can see the options like all boards, recents and stuff like that. So just find a board in which you want to add an object. So let's go and open up a board. So you can see something I've just been messing around with, and let's add some object. Now this object can be basically anything. So if I click on this, it will give me a text box. So let's expand it. So it's going to be easier to move. Now there's a few ways that you can go on about this. You can select the object, press and hold the command key, then drag the selection to rotate. So that will be in your Mac. If you're using it on an iPhone device, you will just need to use the two-finger method, which is basically taking your index finger and using it like this to rotate, and you can see even the degree of the angle that you're rotating it to. So just take your one finger and then rotate it with another. So it's basically like creating a circle, so you can get a grasp of how it's going to look. So you can rotate it any different way. And once you're satisfied with that, you can resize it, move it to someone else. But this is how you can rotate objects in Freeform. So that's about it. So you can use your mouse if you have one. If not, don't worry, you can use the two-finger method as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.